Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi Mathematics, happy to see you here. Today we have a very interesting math Olympiad question. We need to find our x and y. We know that x squared minus y squared equal to 30, and we need to find our x and y. If you have your solution, your answer, you can also write your solution down into the comment section and we will check our answer. So it will be really interesting. So first of all, let's try to solve it. Let's rewrite it right here real quick. So we have x squared minus y squared equal to 30. Let's look at it. So this is our difference of squares, and basically we need to know about really important and really great formula. We have a squared minus b squared. Everyone know about it. So this is equal to a plus b, a minus b, and we can easily apply this formula in our question. Yeah, this is our difference of squares, so let's factor it as a product of two parentheses. So as a result, what do we have? We have x plus y, and times x minus y equal to 30. Now, right now, if you look closely, first of all, I want to mention one really important moment because a lot of students forget about it. X plus y is greater than x minus y. We are talking about natural numbers, so everything is great, I guess. So we have x plus y is greater than x minus y, than x minus y. Okay, why this is greater? Because when we add y to both sides, we can easily cancel it from here, and as a result we have x plus 2y. So this is absolutely greater than this one. Okay, so this is greater than this parenthesis. And why this is extremely important for us? Because right now we're going to consider how can we express this 30. Okay, how can we express this 30? We can express it in a lot of ways. Let's start, for example, with the basic one. We have 1 times 30, the basic one, and of course 30 times 1 is also a correct way how can we express it. Also 2 times 15, we can easily write it like that, or 15 times 2, yeah, 15 times 2, and we have, I guess, 10 times 3, we have right here 3 times 10, we have, I guess, 5 times 6, and 6 times 5. And why this expression is extremely important? A lot of students forget about this expression and they check all of these cases. But if you look closely, one value need to be greater than another one. So if you look closely, we are not interested in this one because we have addition on the first position. So each of these elements where the first if the first value is greater, we are interested. Okay, and if the first value is less than the second, so we are not interested in this because x plus y need to be greater. So the first parenthesis, the first constant need to be greater than another one. So we reject this one, okay, because we have 1 and times 30, we're not interested in this. This one is great for us. 30 times 1, we are interested in this. 2 times 15, obvious, this is not good for us. We are not interested in this. 2 times 15. Right here, 15 times 2, yeah, the first constant is greater than the second one, so we are interested in this. And yeah, really great. Right here, 10 times 3, we are interested in this. 10 times 3, yeah, so we are interested in this 10 times 3. And what do we have right here on the right side? We have 3 times 10. We are not interested in this because the first constant is smaller than the less than second one. 5 times 6 equal to, so right here we have a first constant is less than second one. So we are not interested in this, and 6 times 5 is good for us. So as a result, we can easily see that we are interested only in 1, 2, 3, in 4 cases. So right now let's write all of these cases. So the first case, x plus y. So we have x plus y times x minus y equal to 30 times 1. This is our first case we're interested in, okay? 30 times 1. The second case, x plus y times x minus y equal to, we have right here 15 times 2. 15 times 2. The third one, so as a result, what do we have? X plus y times x minus y equal to 10 times 3. 10 times 3, and the fourth case, okay, so we have x plus y times x minus y equal to 6 times 5. So we have only 4 cases, and right now let's solve it real quick. This is not that hard, to be honest. This is basic system of equations. So right now let's solve it. Let's split it, for example, and let's solve it. So the first system of equation, we can easily write it, of course, in terms of system of equation, we don't need this product anymore. So x plus y equal to 30, x plus y equal to 30, and x minus y So addition equal to 30 and subtraction equal to 1. This is a great system of equation because we can easily solve it real quick. So we can easily add this one to this one. As a result, we have 2x because we're going to cancel this y and minus y. As a result, we have 2x equal to 31. And from here, we have that our x is equal to 31 over 2, or in terms of like decimal approximation, or this is not approximation, we can easily divide it. So we have 15.5. This is non-natural number, so we reject this 15.5. This is non-natural, so this is not natural. But let's find our y real quick, because let's do this. Maybe someone need to solve this question completely without any restrictions about this natural number. Let's find our y real quick. So our x minus y equal to 1. So right here, let's plug in our 31 over 2. So we have 31 over 2 minus y equal to 1. So let's multiply both sides by 2. As a result, we have 31 minus 2y equal to 2. As a result, we have minus 2y equal to minus 29. And from here, our y equal to 29 over 2. So both x and y is non-natural, so we are not interested in this. We also reject this y. And of course, if one of these is rejected, so we don't need it, because we in the beginning we need that our x and y need to be both natural. So in this case, this not works like that. Let's go forward. Let's move forward to the next one. X plus y equal to 15. So the second case, let's solve it. So x plus y equal to 15, x plus y equal to 15, and x minus y equal to 2. Right now, let's do the same algorithm. Let's add both of these equations. So we have 2x equal to 17, and from here our x equal to 17 over 2. And of course, this is not a good in terms of like natural number, so we reject this x. But let's solve real quick. Let's find our y. Let's see what will happen. So x minus y equal to 2. From here, x minus y equal to 2. Let's plug in this x and we will find our y. So 17 over 2 minus y equal to 2, multiplying both sides by 2. From here, what do we have? 17 minus 2y equal to 4. So let's separate it real quick. Yeah, so we have 17 minus 2y equal to 4. So we have minus 2y equal to 4 minus 17, or we have minus 2y equal to minus 13. From here, our y equal to 13 over 2, which is also rejected because this is non-natural value. So as you can see, in both cases we have non-natural roots. Let's move forward to the third one. X plus y equal to 10 and x minus y equal to 3. So let's move forward. We have that our x plus y equal to 10, yeah, and x minus y equal to 3. From here, let's do the same stuff. We're gonna add it. So we have 2x equal to 13. So 2x equal to 13 and x equal to 13 over 2, which is also rejected. We don't need this, which is also rejected. But let's find our y. Maybe sometimes happen that y will be like natural. I don't know exactly, but let's find our y. From here, we have x minus y equal to 3. Let's separate this part. Okay, so we have x minus y equal to 3. So as a result, what do we have? 13 over 2 minus y equal to 3. We have 13 minus 2y equal to 6. We multiply this both sides by 2, so multiplying by 2, because we have a denominator, we can easily cancel this with these 2. And from here, what do we have? Minus 2y equal to 6 minus 13. 6 minus 13. From here, minus 2y equal to minus 7, and y equal to 7 over 2. Yeah, we have non-natural roots, so we can easily reject this real quick. And our last hope, we have the first parenthesis right here, x plus y equal to 6 and x minus y equal to 5. Let's do this. So our first case, x plus y equal to 6. So x plus y equal to 6 and x minus y equal to equal to 5. Let's do this. But we can easily see that we don't have natural roots right here, because when we add it, we have 2x equal to 6 plus 5 equal to 11. So as a result, we have that our x equal to 11 half. 11 half. But let's find our y. Let's see what will happen. Let's find our y. X minus y equal to 5. So we have x minus y equal to 5. And from here, 11 half minus y equal to 5. Let's multiply both sides by 2. And as a result, we have 11 minus 2y equal to 10. From here, we have our minus 2y equal to 10 minus 11, and minus 2y equal to minus 1, and our y equal to 1 half. Okay, and as you can see, this one is rejected, this one is rejected, and this one is rejected as well. So as you can see, in terms of our question, let's write our final answer to this question. So our answer, I'm going to write full solution to this, but in terms of our question, we don't find natural numbers, okay? We don't find our natural roots right here, but I'm going to write full answer, okay? Maybe you're interested in this, maybe sometimes happen that you need to solve this question without any restriction, that you need to find naturals. So sometimes happen. So in my question, we have no integer x and y. This is my answer to this question. We don't have it because in the beginning we need to find our x and y naturals. We don't have it in my question. I don't have any integers, but maybe you're interested. Maybe sometimes happen that your teacher gives you like a challenge to find all solutions. So here's my answer. So x and y pairs x and y equal to, so the first one we have 31 over 2, 29 over 2. You can easily write it in terms of like decimals. This is up to you. 17 over 2 and 13 over 2. 13 over 2. The third one, 13 over 2 and 7 over 2. 7 half, sorry, yeah. And the fourth one, 11 half and 1 half. So this is our solution if you have the same question. So we don't have integer solutions x and y, but maybe sometimes happen that you don't have any restrictions for x and y. It can be real numbers. So this is your full answer. We have only four pairs of solution, which is also really great. You can easily check this one or this one. I think that 100% everyone will be great. So this is my explanation to this question. I really hope you understand it. I really hope you learned something new. You can also write your question down into the comment section. See you in the next videos. Have a great day and take care of yourself.